Hi everyone, I'm back with another video. Today I have a random NASCAR pack opening video. In the background I have the bookend 24 of 24 Brad Keselowski Explosion. It's a rainbow from 2018 Prizm. I decided to display a couple cards that I usually don't display that often, or I haven't displayed in a while, that I've pulled. And then I decided to do the Chandler Smith rookie auto over there. That one's another cool one that I just don't get a chance to display. That one's a base, so you know, nothing crazy, but I do like to, you know, display different cards. But yeah, I haven't displayed that Brad in a while, and that was one of the first cards that I pulled when getting back into the hobby, so I thought it was pretty cool. So anyways, today we have 2 packs of 2020 Donruss, 2 packs of 2022 Donruss, 1 pack of 2016 certified, and 1 pack of 2019 Prizm. So that's the order that will go in here. And just rip some packs, have some fun, see what's in there. See what the packs may hold. Alright. We got Larson, we got Allison, we got Johnson, we got a red Chase Elliott. 266 out of 299. Red retro Chase Elliott. We got a Dominators Jimmy Johnson. We got a rated rookie optic Max McLaughlin. That's pretty cool. We got throwback of Michael Annett, and Austin Dillon, and an expired code card. All right, second pack of 2020 Donruss here. Let's see. We have a whole bunch of upside down cards. Alright, Harvick, Shepard, Dillon. We got a green, should be out of 99, I believe. Yep, it is. Matt Kenseth, 60 of 99. Green, Matt Kenseth. Pretty cool. Then we got Contenders Ticket, Amarola, followed by Optic of Amarola, and then throwback of Priest and Morgan Shepherd. Alright, moving on to 22 Donruss. We got Brandon Brown, Michael McDowell, Kurt Busch. We have blue Taylor Gray, 154 out of 199 retro. Pretty cool. And we got Elite Series Rusty Wallace. We got an optic of Daniel Suarez. We got Tony Stewart and a Race Kings of Joey Logano. These piles just do not like each other. Alright, second pack of 22 Donruss. We got Harvick, we got Elliott, we've got Kraus, we've got Haley Deegan, Action Packed. We've got Brittany Zamora Optic, pretty cool. We've got Jimmy Johnson, Race Kings. We got Ryan Blaney and Brad Keselowski. To finish off that pack. Alright, we got 2016 certified. What's in here? We got a Tony Stewart, Matt DiBenedetto, Justin Allgaier, autograph. Alright, Justin Allgaier. It is 210 of 263. That's a weird numbering. 210 of 263 for Justin Allgaier. So pretty cool. We're on the board with an auto. I pulled quite a few autos with Justin Allgaier. So I like Justin Allgaier. Pretty good driver in Xfinity. So Dylan Lupton and Garrett Smithley, rookie. Alright, we got last pack. Prizm 2019. Let's see what is in here. David Reagan, Joey Logano, Haley Deegan, pretty cool. Smoke, that's a name variation. Then we got a silver, so I think it's an Xfinity rookie, of Chase Briscoe. Silver, very nice. Silver, I guess I'll put there. We got a blue right behind it, Austin Dillon, Velocity. 74 of 75. 4 of 75 for the Austin Dillon. Pretty cool. Alright, and then we got Eric Amarola in the groove. We got another silver. Bubba Wallace. Stripes. Stars and Stripes, excuse me. Bubba Wallace. Pretty cool looking card. And we got a Prominence of Chase Elliott. And we got a Ryan Blaney, my man. Austin Dillon name variation there. And Terry Labonte. Alright, that's going to do it for this random pack opening. We did hit one autograph. We hit the Justin Allgaier. And then we hit some silvers here. We got Bubba Wallace and Chase Briscoe. And then we got Austin Dillon out of 75. Tyler Gray out of 199. Matt Kenseth out of 99. And Chase Elliott red out of 299. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your views and your comments. Please feel free to like and subscribe and share with your friends and family or anyone who you know might be into NASCAR. I'm thankful for all your views and support. And as always, have a good one.